All right, this is Dobo. We're gonna go down the stairs and we're gonna go potty. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Dobo. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Dobo, come on. Good boy. Come on, Dobo. Let's go. Come on. We can go bye-bye. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. You're a good boy. Come on. Good job. Good job. Every freaking stair. Come on, Dobo. But he's learning. Come on. All right. Come on. Oh, God damn. Good job. Come on. Come on. Let's get two of them in. Come on, Del. Good job. Come on. Ready? Good boy. Come on. Good boy. You're silly. You're so funny. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good job. You are such a good boy. Come on, Dobo. Yay! Please, dear Lord Jesus, don't let me back up on a frog. Come on. Come. Good job. All right. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. Yay! This is my baby. Let me see. Let me see. Dobo? Dobo? See, we're teaching obedience right now. Hey! Come here. Come here! No, you don't jump on me. Say bye.